In this video, we will see about DDL statements. DDL. DDL means data definition language. DDL statements are create, rename, truncate, alter, drop. In RDBMS databases, we are storing all data in table format. So, if you want to create new table, we should use create statement. Okay, now we will see how to create one new table. Create table, table name T1. A is the column name, number is the data type. This is the syntax to create a new table. Create table, table name, A is the column name, number is the data type. Now I will create one new table, T1 table created. If you want to check whether this table created or not, already this message shows it's successfully created. We have one more option also, we can describe the table structure. Describe T1. It will describe the table structure. Column is A, data type is number. It will describe the table structure. Okay, by using create statement, I have created one new table. Now we will see alter statement, alter keyword. Okay, in T1 table, I have created one T1 table with column A. By using alter keyword, I will do some modification in the table. Same T1 table, already A column available. Now I will add one more column B. Now we will see this example. These DDL statements are used to modify the table structure. For example, this table contains A column only. Now I will add one more column B. Alter table, table name, add column name, data type. I am using number data type. By using alter keyword, I am adding one more column in T1 table. Table T1 altered. Now I will describe whether T1, B column added or not. Okay, now I am seeing B column successfully added. Previously it shows only A column, data type is number. Now I added one more column, data type number. Now I want to rename this column name to one more column. For example, consider this is T1 table, already A column available, one new column just now added. Now I want to rename this B column to another column name like C. Okay, now we will see. In this example, we will see how to modify one column name to another column name. Alter table, table name, rename column, old column name to new column name. This is the syntax to rename old column name to new column name by using alter keyword. Table altered. Now I will describe this table structure. Now I could see A column and C column. B column renamed to C. Okay. If you check, this C column data type is number. Now I want to modify this number to some different data type like varchar2. Consider this is T1 table, column A, column name is C. This column C data type is number. Now I will modify it to varchar2. Alter table name, modify column name data type. I am using one new data type varchar2 of 20. Okay, T1 table altered. Now I will describe the table structure. Okay, previously the C column data type is number. Now I modified C column data type is varchar2 20 by using alter and modify keywords. Now I don't need this C column, so I need to drop T1 column, A column. I want this A column only, I don't need C column, so we need to drop. Alter table name, drop column name. This SQL executed, table altered. Now I will describe the table structure. If you check, now A column only displaying, the C column dropped. Now I have dropped the C column by using alter and drop keywords. Okay, initially I have created one table T1. It contains column A only. After that, I have added one new column B by using alter keyword. After that, I have renamed that B column to C column. Then I have I have modified number data type to varchar2. Then I have dropped the C column. So this type of modifications we can do by using DDL statements. Create, just now we saw, rename also completed, alter completed. Okay, we will see now the table name is T1. If you want to rename the table name, you should use this rename keyword. Rename table, rename old table name to new table name. Now I will rename this T1 to T2. I will execute now. Table renamed. If I describe T1 now, it will throw error because just now I renamed T1 to T2. I am executing. It throw error. Object T1 does not exist. That means the table is not available. If you check describe T2, it will display because T1 renamed to T2. It displays A column number data type. Okay. Again, I will rename T2 to T1. T2 to T1. I will execute this one. If I describe T1, it will display the results. Okay, I will clear the screen by using this icon. This screen clear. Now I will describe T1, column A, number data type available, because just now I renamed. If I describe T2, it will throw error because the table not available. Object T2 does not exist. Okay, next we will see truncate. Truncate means it will delete all records from the table. For example, consider T3 table. Column is A. It contains 100, 200, 300. If I use truncate statement, it will delete all records from the table. Okay, now we will see. I will open one new worksheet. Select star from T3. It contains 100, 200, 300. Column name is ID. Column name is ID. Now I am using truncate statement. It will delete all records from the table. Truncate table, table name. This is the syntax for truncate. Okay, table T3 truncated. If I select T3, it will not display any records, but table available. Here you can see ID column, table available, but all records deleted. This is the truncate. Okay, next we will see drop. I will open one new worksheet. Select star from T1. Okay, I will insert some records in T1. Insert into table name values 10, 20, 30. If you execute this second icon, multiple SQL statement it will run. For example, I will select this all three insert, then I will execute this second icon. Three rows inserted. Now I am selecting T1 table. It will display 10, 20, 30. Now I am using drop. Drop T1 table. Column is A. If you check here, the column is A, T1 table. It contains 10, 20, 30. If I use this drop keyword, it will drop table structure and data. Everything will be deleted. Okay, we'll see now. Drop table, table name. T1 table dropped. If I select, it will throw error because table or view does not exist. Because if you use drop, it will delete table structure and also data. Both will be deleted. But if you use truncate, data only will be deleted. Table available. This is the main difference, and also this is the interview question difference between truncate and drop. Truncate means it will delete records only. Drop means it will delete table and values. Next, we will see about DML statement in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.